அது ஆரம்ப பொழுது
Nykaa is a very right? And if a Nykaa Lux is open in Chennai, especially in Express, and that is really amazing because we get to see all these international brands that we generally do not get. Right? And generally, when we want to shop, we go abroad or we buy it online and we don't even know if it's real products. And now that Nykaa Lux is in Express Avenue, we can get exclusively Charlotte Tilbury, Tom Ford, Kilian Paris, and other amazing brands that we do not get anywhere else. We get it exclusively in Nykaa. And I'm super excited to be here, to be opening it for Chennai. And I'm super excited for Chennai. So let's shop and let's get all our exciting products from Chennai. Actually, Charlotte Tilbury is a very famous brand.
State ma'am.
And of course, I love makeup, so another Charlotte Tilbury is definitely a favorite. Prices are affordable because when the real products are store like you get real prices also, and there are great offers as well. So I'm excited. First ever right? That has international brands exclusively, especially brands like Charlotte Tilbury. So it's opened in Express Avenue Mall, and everybody should get it.